What's up, guys? It's Titus, CEO of t-veril. Today we'll be reviewing a package that came in. Let's open it up. Gotta stay careful. This looks like a nice PC too. I know y'all can tell from the outside of the box. I almost dropped a rack on this bad boy. I won't do this again. Got the quick start guide. A few simple tips. A few simple starting things. Got a light up keyboard. Looks nice, looks nice. Not too bad. Alright, PC. How are we gonna kick this out of here? Struggling, hold on. Oh, what's that? Looks like we got a mouse too. An Ares M2 gaming mouse. I'm not a professional gamer, but I needed a mouse and keyboard, so I had to get. Let's pull it out. Battling with this box. So far, so good. Packaging was decent. Wasn't too spectacular, but decent. Okay, that's everything up. Came with the power cord. Looks like a little manual. Looks pretty good. So far so good, everything. Little CD came with it. Guess that's the download software and stuff. Open up the package. Got that tempered glass on it. You know what that smells like? A fresh PC. You gotta love it, gotta love it. The only thing is they didn't put the, I was looking at other reviews, right? So they ain't put no foam inside of it. So we're gonna, that's one of the other downsides for that. iBuy power, won't looking too good for y'all. All right, check it out. I don't even know how to slide this off. Tempered glass with handle with care. We gotta unscrew this right here. Unscrew these. There we go. Slide it on. Sit it down carefully. Don't put anything heavy on the glass because it will break. Yeah, during shipping it kind of got a little loose. Everything looks decent though. It looks pretty smooth though. This is my first gaming PC, but I'm not strictly gaming. I'm gonna be doing a little editing as well, because it's my first and only PC. Alright, make sure everything's plugged in, looks good. Get all this boxing out there. And then we're gonna set up the PC. And we're also gonna set up our gaming area or editing area. Okay. Quick start guide. Let's look at that. So as I should have read before the quick start guide, I just went over here, started grabbing different stuff. So it says slide off tempered glass, use unscrew the screws, rotate connection types, HDMI, display port. Everything's on there, so when it comes in the box for you guys, everything should be there. Instructions, everything should be looking good. Alright, let's put this tempered glass back on there and see how the lighting looks. Let's get everything screwed back on. All right, there we go. Power plug on. I don't have my area set up right now, but we're gonna set it up in a little bit and show you the after causes. Let's just see the coloring right now. Not too good at this either, so. It also has this on here. Remove sticker before use. On most of the reviews it had that, so it's not the only one. It should have it on yours when yours comes in, so should be good on that. Gotta slowly take it off. Use this for display ports. Alright, so it looks like it comes with 2 Wi-Fi antennas. Yeah, 2 Wi-Fi antennas. Those are right here. You gotta screw those on into these 2 gold pieces right here. 2 USB ports. I don't know what that is, but we'll find out later. Oh man. Not too good at this, as you guys can tell, so be patient with me. HDMI, that's what I'm on. More USBs, 4 of them. Ethernet cable. This is for audio. I don't know what these 2 are for, but I'll tell y'all later when we figure out what those do. And it looks like we have, what else is down here? Yeah, I'm gonna just keep those in there for now. But let's get this thing powered up. Down here has protection over it too as well. Take that off. It's in there. Oh, that's lit. That's lit. That's cool. You gotta keep the plastic on here because you don't want to mess up your screen. Or at least that's my opinion. I don't like to mess up my stuff. Keep it nice and fresh. That's clean, wow. Once we get to editing, nuts. Playing games. Might even stream on here, do all that. And this is like a magnetic thing that you put on here. It's supposed to stop like the lint and all the stuff from getting in there. It also has 2 USB ports up top, a mic port, and a mic for headphones. So we're gonna take a little break. We're gonna skip to our setup. So guys, we got it set up. It took a while. It was a lot of work because I'm new with this new gaming PC thing. As you can tell, everything looks smooth. Everything looks pretty good. So we will also be looking at how smooth it runs. It looks decent, background, decent. Let's open up something and get it running. What do they have on here? Just open up the regular internet, see how fast speed time it is. Download Windows 10. You still gotta download a few things when you first get it. Go through that. But I prefer Chrome. Chrome is more efficient for me instead of going through all this rigmarole. Okay. One of the other things I want to do, I want to fix the color pattern. I don't know where this is at. I gotta do that a little bit later, but this is pretty much the setup right here. It's not too expensive. The monitor itself was around, what, $90 to $100. The PC itself was $700 plus tax. Well, $705 plus tax. I ain't gonna cut teeth. But on the site, it had the keyboard, the mouse, everything was in there. It was looking pretty good. They have a Ryzen 3rd generation. I think that's A1. I'm not professional at this stuff yet, but to me, it's looking pretty good. Anything else on here? Everything looks smooth. It's a smooth little setup. And then this is what we're gonna do to edit the videos, make our t-shirts, do all that, record all that, and talk more about t-veril. So as you know, we got it set up. Everything's pretty good. Shout out to my sister for recording. She's a decent recorder. Yeah, decent recording. I ain't gonna care about that, but everything went pretty smooth. Make sure you guys comment on things, new videos we can make, on different things that we can do. Specifically talking about clothing or even about the review. Drop some things that you know about the PC that I didn't mention in the comments. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.